Welcome back to Zappy's Detail Garage, where today we'll be doing a full tutorial on how to properly clean the leather steering wheel on your vehicle. Today, these are going to be the products that we're going to be using. Starting from the left, we have our lavish protective dressing for the plastic, our all-purpose cleaner, which is next to it. Next to that, we have our leather cleaner for the leather steering wheel, and then we have the leather conditioner, which will follow with that. I also have some miscellaneous tools and towels and applicator pads that we'll be using throughout the video as well. Now, looking at the steering wheel, it doesn't look that dirty. There's not a lot of dust or dirt on it, but if you look closely in the light, you can see it has a very greasy, shiny look to it. Now, leather is not supposed to have a shiny look at all. It's supposed to be matte, dry to the touch finish. Now you can kind of tell where it's a little bit more greasy than other. It's typically where the driver holds their hands, either upright or below the steering wheel. But we're going to get this cleaned up and we're going to do a 50-50 overlap so you guys can really see how greasy this steering wheel looks. Now what I did is I went ahead and I taped half the steering wheel, and I'm just going to throw this towel over the cluster gauges so we don't get any overspray on it at all, and so we can actually just focus on this leather steering wheel part. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first apply the leather cleaner onto the leather part of the steering wheel. And I'm just going to have that dwell for just a bit. And then I'll go in with a nice soft bristle brush just to agitate it a bit. I'm not applying a lot of pressure. I'm being very gentle with this product. And I'm just going to brush all over the leather steering wheel to make sure I get a nice even coating. And then once I'm done cleaning it, I will dry it off. And then now we're just going to go into applying our leather conditioner. Now I'll shake it up and then I'll apply it on this little circular applicator pad, which I do enjoy the best because I can actually grip it around the leather steering wheel and get behind it, in front of it, and on the sides. And I'm just going to make sure it gets a nice even coating, because once we're done using a leather cleaner, it's basically going to be drying out the leather. And what we're going to want to do is re-moisturize it with the leather conditioner, let it soak in. We're not going to dry this off. We're just going to let the leather conditioner soak back into the leather so it moisturizes it back up after we just removed all those dirty oils from the vehicle. Now, while the leather conditioner is drying by itself, we're going to go ahead and actually use our all-purpose cleaner to clean the rest of the steering wheel, the plastic pieces. So all I'm doing is I just applied a little bit on the brush, and I'm just scrubbing it in right now to kind of, kick off any loose dirt or debris or any oils that were sitting on there that we couldn't really see ourselves. And I'll just simply wipe it off dry, remove any of the chemical that was remaining, and then we'll go into actually applying protective dressing, which is our lavish protective dressing, which is actually a UV protectant, so it'd be perfect for the steering wheel. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my towel and then a little bit on the area we're working on, and we're just going to basically just wipe this in dry. We're going to make sure it gets a nice even coating and wipe it in dry. And then next, I'm just going to be taking off the tape right now so we can show you the 50-50 overlap of a clean steering wheel with the nice protective dressing and a leather conditioner. And you guys can really see the difference on this steering wheel. Now, on the left-hand side was the dirty part. The right-hand side will be clean and conditioned. You can see the left-hand side is still greasy. It has a really black, greasy look to it. And the right-hand side looks absolutely beautiful, what it should be. It's a nice dry to the touch matte finish. It doesn't look greasy anymore compared to the left side. Now, as always, I will link the products below for every product we use in this video. And if you don't mind, if you like the content that we're creating and you're enjoying more how-to tutorials on how to clean your vehicle, give us a subscribe and then like to the channel. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.